Hello viewers, thank you for stopping by. Here's another edition happening in Vivisco kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how I come out with this vegetable soup. This vegetable soup, I learned how to prepare this soup in a Japanese restaurant. It's very simple and very delicious, and it's prepared with non-vegetable oil. So guys, this soup, you can use it to eat rice, you can use it to eat plantain, you can use it to eat anything of your choice. So my lovers, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit on that notification bell at your right hand side, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your loved ones. Please, let's stay tuned while we dive straight into the recipe.
Hey girl, I know what it's like, but times are tough, living that hard life, right? But you know what, What? I want you to listen to this track. Listen to what I gotta say, okay? Cause I wanna tell you